We got 80 miles, almost 80. Have to smoke with us. Have to bear with us. Smoke so much to smoke it a bear. Have to bear with us. Get this figured. Get sorry I didn't shave. So that thing is a little bit furry. I said thing in my face. I ain't got no worries, Tushy. I messed up the lines because I'm trying to censor it as he's rapping it. And it's hard because I wanted to say what he's saying, but at the same time I'm grossed out by what he's saying, and I hate that line so much. Could I have not said it? Yeah, but I chose to. Why? Because I'm a douche. Now, I want to see a reflection of me, man. I took this fanny pack off, and now I don't know how things be looking. That was on me, man. That was so on me. I will not show that because it's bad. So what happens is, if this bike stalls, all right, I gotta put it into neutral, then turn it on, then shift gears. I can't turn on the bike while pulling in the clutch. It's weird. I don't know why it does that, but it does that. My then one sprayed the clip into his arm out of place. Look at that, look at that. For no reason. You could have just killed me for no reason. It's not even like a Gucci thing kind of thing. Don't mess this up, Broly. It's a dog hanging out of that one. Why that thing have to be furry? Why do you gotta put it in your face? And why do you gotta tell us about it if you do that, you know? Like, keep that in the boudoir. Keep that in the boudoir. French, right? Right hand, right knee, left hand, left knee. Shake that booty, babe. Shake that booty like a jet ski. I mess it up. I keep trying to censor it for you guys, and I end up messing it up. Shake that ass for me. Shake it like a jet ski for me. Something like that. I can't be in this lane. This lane has a huge dip. Okay. Never be in that lane. Has a huge little cut. And your tire's gonna get stuck in there, you're gonna pop an ollie, and it's gonna be sad. And it's gonna be much embarrassing than how I embarrassed myself back there. Much embarrassing than that. We will not talk about it, but it happened, and we won't say it. And I won't even show it. So you'll never know, alright? Maybe I should show it, because it was just so sad and embarrassing. And in front of a lot of people, and I'm pretty sure some of those people were female. I'm pretty sure some of those people were female, and it happened in front of them. And I think this is an old blonde in there. Yeah. No, what up, bro? I think this Tesla wants to oomph oomph. Never mind, Tesla don't want to do anything. I'm really happy to be back making videos. We're gonna start making like shorts and things like that too, because why not? And I also have all the raw content from videos that I already made, the good parts or the raw parts. So we're gonna be sharing all that stuff too in a short format. It's me! It's only me, there's nobody else, it's me! We'll be sharing all that with you. Nutsicles. TM. I still waved to him. Maybe the sun was in his eyes so he didn't wave. But I still think he should have waved. I always love overpasses. I wish I could stop by this one, there's no shoulder. Just stand there and watch the cars go by. But I love it at places where it's not as heavily trafficked areas like this. The one we always go to in my area, I've been there since day one, man. And I love going there. We'll be back there tomorrow, not today. Tomorrow I'm gonna be heading out that way. It's quite a ride away, so we'll be heading there and having some fun. What I really want to do right now is I want to go home and I want to watch anime. I want to have some food and I want to watch the anime. That's all I want to do right now. We'll take a home, go take a shower, and then anime. Tesla, hurry up, homie. Look at me. There you go. I gotta wait for this car to come because I don't know what it'll do. I'm gonna take both of you guys' those spots. You, me, oh yeah. You, me, oh yeah. I'm trying to rap Tunchi, but I just want to enjoy him, man. Like I said, everything he says is dirty. You guys are little babies. I don't wanna introduce you to that kind of world. Oh, I was gonna say leave rap to thugs like me, and I almost bit the hell out of my tongue. I almost swallowed my own and ate my own tongue, man. Look at you. Now look at me. All my homies are rich as fuck. Hey, look at you. Now look at me. Alright, nutsicles. TM. A bigger one's about to pop up out of the hole. I never talk to cops cause I don't speak pig language. Yoga. Yoga. It is what it is, yeah? S class, G class, lot of class. Yeah? Woo! Middle finger to who? I don't know. Scream. Scream, girl. Fine. Yeah, we're that kind of person. We're that kind of bilf. TM. Anyways, I will see you guys when I see you. Drake is gonna keep pumping my eardrums. And until next time, this is Riding Insane. For you, remember to subscribe only if you love me. If not, don't subscribe, don't like the video. I don't know, I don't really care about any of that stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If not, hope you guys dislike it. If not, hope you guys liked it. If not, hope you guys are just having a good day. And I'm gonna keep doing what I do, is ride and upload, ride and upload. Until next time, I'm out. Peace from the streets. Mwah.